I will never look at mountains the same way after learning this. These volcanoes are massive. First up, we have Mauna Loa in Hawaii, the granddaddy of them all. It's so big it covers half of the Big Island. Next, say hello to Mount Everest's fiery cousin, Tamu Massif in the Pacific Ocean. It's the largest underwater volcano. Moving on, Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania stands tall and proud. It's not just a volcano, it's a living legend. Don't forget Nevado Ojos del Salado in South America, the highest active volcano on Earth. Last but not least, shield your eyes from Olympus Mons on Mars. Yes, Mars, it's the tallest volcano in the solar system. So, which one blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. And remember to like and subscribe for more epic discoveries.